While it is pretty unassuming from the outside, this Lexus is unbelievably equipped. It's a 2007, but it's got more features than a lot of the brand new vehicles. You'll see as we step inside. So you can already tell, two-tone interior. It does have memory seats, automatic windows. That tan leather is in great shape for a 2007, but this car only has 95,000 miles on it. It's powered by the 3.5 liter V6, super reliable, a lot of steering wheel controls. It does have Bluetooth audio as well. Looking at the center, it actually has a cassette player down there. Did you see that? Also a multi-disc in the dash. It's got navigation. It does have a backup camera. It's got dual climate control. You can see the temperature set to 80 for both the driver and passenger at the top there. And that's right, you can break out some old New Kids on the Block tapes and rock out. It does have heated and cooled front seats also. Up top, you can see it actually has some garage door openers as well as controls for the sunroof and some map lights as well. There's the sunroof. And as we step into the back, you can see again, you're greeted by that supple tan leather. An armrest folds down for cup holders for the back passengers, but check this out. That's right, it's got a sunroof for the rear too. The whole roof is glass, it's got a sunroof for front and back. Looking into the trunk, it's gigantic. This is based on a Toyota Avalon, so it's gonna be crazy reliable with a ton of luxury.